Today I want to teach you how to make fesenjoon, a traditional Iranian stew with all the important tips. To make fesenjoon for 4 people, we start by adding about 2.5 cups finely ground walnuts into a food processor and grinding them very well until they become almost like a powder. Next, we finely grate 1 medium onion and saute it over medium heat until the excess moisture evaporates. There is no need to add oil because walnuts naturally release plenty of oil during cooking. Then, we add a pinch of turmeric to the onions and saute briefly. At this point, we add the ground walnuts to the onions and gently stir them over low heat for about 2 minutes, just to warm them up. Be careful, walnuts burn easily if overheated. Now add 1 cup of cold water and stir well so the walnuts dissolve into the water. Then add 2 more cups of water, mix well, cover the pot, and let it simmer on low heat for about 2 hours until the walnuts fully cook and release their oil. While the stew is cooking, we prepare the meatballs. Grate 1 medium onion, strain out the onion juice, and mix it with about 10.5 ounces ground meat, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, and black pepper to taste. Mix well, then shape the meat into small meatballs. Lightly saute them into a pan until they change color and become lightly browned. Again, no oil is needed since the meat releases its own fat. Now add the meatballs to the fesenjoon pot. Then add about 7 ounces pomegranate molasses and 2 tablespoons sugar. During cooking, add a few small ice cubes 2 or 3 times. This temperature shock helps the walnuts release even more oil and gives the stew its rich texture. At the very end, I add 1 tablespoon blonde saffron that I prepared using ice. Finally, serve the fesenjoon with the saffron rice. Enjoy!